Wood, the sustainable superhero of engineering materials. Introduction. In a world grappling with climate change and environmental degradation, engineers and architects are turning to an unlikely hero: wood. Yes, that's right. The same material that built our ancestors' homes and ships is now making a comeback as a sustainable engineering material. In this article, we'll explore why wood is the ultimate eco-friendly choice and how it's revolutionizing the construction industry. The carbon-neutral champion wood is a carbon-neutral material. As trees grow, they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When we harvest wood for construction, we're essentially locking that carbon away. Compare this to concrete or steel, which release significant amounts of CO2 during production. Wood is like a superhero that fights climate change one plank at a time. Timber towers reaching new heights. Imagine a skyscraper made entirely of wood. It's not science fiction, it's happening. Timber towers are sprouting up in cities worldwide. Why? Because wood is lightweight, strong, and earthquake resistant. Plus, it looks stunning. The 18-story Mjøstårnet in Norway stands tall, proving that wood isn't just for cabins anymore. Biophilic design, bringing nature. Indoors wood isn't just about structural integrity, it's about aesthetics too. Biophilic design, the art of incorporating nature into our built environment, is gaining traction. Wooden interiors evoke a sense of calm and connection to the natural world. From wooden accent walls to furniture, we're rediscovering our love for this timeless material. The circular economy, wood's second life. Wood doesn't retire after its first gig. It's recyclable, reusable, and biodegradable. When a wooden building reaches the end of its life, we can repurpose the wood into furniture, flooring, or even biofuel. It's the epitome of the circular economy, a sustainable loop where nothing goes to waste. The forest management, the key to sustainability. Of course, sustainable wood relies on responsible forest management. Certified forests ensure that trees are replanted, biodiversity is preserved, and ecosystems thrive. When you choose wood, you're supporting a delicate balance between human needs and nature's well-being. The beauty of imperfections. Wood isn't flawless, and that's part of its charm. Knots, grains, and variations tell a story. Architects are celebrating these imperfections, creating designs that highlight wood's uniqueness. It's like wearing your scars with pride, a testament to resilience and character. Conclusion. So next time you admire a wooden bridge, a log cabin, or a sleek wooden chair, remember that you're witnessing sustainability in action. Wood isn't just a material, it's a philosophy, a commitment to a greener, healthier planet. As engineers, let's embrace wood, our eco-friendly ally, and build a future where sustainability isn't an option but a necessity. If you have any more requests of a next article you would like to see on this channel, please comment below. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to the channel for more such content. Let's enrich our knowledge and create a better world.